NaMuMyoHoRenGeKyo. Hi everyone. Hello Sangha. Wonderful people. Um, Terrific, wonderful news today. Yesterday I finished installing. I've had the wonderful gift in my life of the karma of being able to build things and everything from plumbing to electricity to putting buildings together, and it's enabled me to do a lot of things well outside of my financial fortune. And so that's a great benefit. One of those things has been the TLK, or the Threefold Lotus Kwoon, which Kwoon you probably know by now, but if you didn't, is an ancient Chinese word, not unlike the Japanese word dojo, but in Chinese means a sacred place of practice and study. So it's a school, but it also has within it, it houses an altar, a rather elaborate altar, really kind of a temple for the practice and learning of NaMuMyoHoRenGeKyo. So, just yesterday I completed the installation of a large mini-split unit. Those of you who don't know what that is, it's heating and cooling, climate control for the largest part of the building, which houses the exhibit area and the altar area. It's not, I don't want to make it sound like it's a football stadium. It's just about a 30 by 50 building. It's not that huge, but it is big as far as a home practice area, right? So it's always been meant to be kind of my offering of my skills to NaMuMyoHoRenGeKyo, and as such a place where people within, and I've had people travel 200, 300, 400 miles to come to it for personal instruction and chanting. So it's been an incredible effort and fortune in my life to be able to build this purpose-built, not homage, but an offering to the propagation of the Lotus Sutra per Nichiren's scholarship, Dengyo, Nyalo, Tendai, the whole lot, but certainly our most contemporary scholar and Bodhisattva Nichiren. And so today I checked it out, walked into it, and thought, this is a very temperate climate in here. And as long as we can continue to afford the electricity, I'm a long ways away from being able to purchase a battery pack for all the solar panels I've installed, but at least they offset the cost of the electricity right now. My goal is to make the building completely self-sufficient as well as climate controlled, and to finish the high ceiling and other things. It's not completely done, but it's now, at this point, a 24/7, 365 usable building. And so, due to your wonderful and steady contributions over the last couple of years, my patrons, you guys are amazing, so please take note. This is largely due to your support. And those of you who, outside of Patreon, just send me donations from time to time, all of that is coming to fruition in this school/temple of Nichiren's scholarship of NaMuMyoHoRenGeKyo. And I will be later today moving this equipment so that the next video that I post will be from inside that school/temple, and we will start doing the videos in the Kwoon, which it's super exciting to me. It's just another video, of course, but I'll be ringing the new bell that we just got. Thank you. Thank you to my UK members who've been so supportive. And I don't mean to diminish any of the rest of you from Australia and Vietnam and Spain and France and Canada and the US, Mexico. You guys are all over the place, and all of your efforts, even just your membership, your joining onto the channel, is all wonderful. We continue to grow, and we're not a rocket ship, but we steadily move more and more to a larger sangha. So I know that exponentially, your practice is becoming stronger. Your bodhisattva efforts are going to be felt, and we can only grow this organically, and that's the way to do it with Buddhism. It's a person-to-person practice, isn't it? So, for all of you who've been so generous as to spend your time either watching these videos or downloading the podcasts and listening to them, and as I said, your financial support, it's making this possible. And who knows, I don't want to overthink it, but can we see a day when this camera moves further and further away from me so that it captures possibly groups of people or several individuals who are participating in a question and answer live in person, perhaps chanting some Shodai Daimoku to start out videos, as a group, as a larger audience that continues to grow. Wow, I'm looking forward to that day. But in the meantime, we have such an amazing Sangha. Miles and miles and continents don't stand in our way. That is the resolve of our practice. So, again, I can't express the amount of appreciation and pride. That I know that's a human thing, but I'm really proud of you guys. There's no way I could do this alone. So this is yours as well. So I hope that you celebrate this milestone with me, and I look forward to your questions, your inspirations, your continued support. And I will do my best to provide you with interesting, in-depth, reporting on the teachings, such that we can all grow our personal practice to its maximal potential. That's what it's all about, right? So, once again, I know I'm repeating myself, but thank you so much. And let's bust some karma together. We're doing it. I know we are. So NaMuMyoHoRenGeKyo, thank you once again for being attentive and your support, and you're watching these videos. And the next one should be coming from inside the TLK. Take care of your health, be kind to one another, and email me or post in the comments. Give me some fodder to consider for the next in-depth video. Thanks so much. Bye for now. Hey, thank you for being here. Did you know there's a third way you can help support this channel, and it won't cost you a cent? Yep, if you are not able to be a patron on Patreon or use the PayPal me at .com at Sifu Sylvain, because you don't have the financial fortune to help support this channel right now, you, as I say, always support this channel by watching, but you can also help us grow so that maybe one day we can get over 10,000 subscribers and YouTube will grace us with monetization. It's not a lot, but if you can make sure you're subscribed and share video, like a simple one. Just go into the search criteria and type monk, and you'll have a video that'll come up that's been up for years about what is a monk. You know, it's called monk, who, how, where, something like that. That might be a great introduction to somebody who doesn't understand what a monk is to begin with. It's a tool. Use this channel as a tool to help you with your bodhisattva practice, and share a video to somebody who you think, oh, I know somebody who'll benefit from watching this. And in that way, you can help us grow. And that's a really good way to help your practice along as well. So just wanted to drop that in on you in case that's something that you might find useful. Take care of yourself again, and I'll see you soon. Bye.